Hey everyone! If your Windows search bar isn't working, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy fixes to get it working again. Just follow each step carefully. First, let's restart the Windows search service. Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run dialog. In the box, type services.msc and click OK. Now, a new window will open with a list of services. Scroll down and look for Windows Search. Once you find it, right-click on Windows Search and select Restart. This refreshes the service that controls the search bar and often fixes the problem right away. After the restart is complete, go ahead and test the search bar to see if it's working again. If the search bar is still not responding, don't worry, there's another simple fix you can try. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. In the list of running processes, find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and choose Restart. Restarting Windows Explorer refreshes the desktop and system interface, which can solve search bar issues. Finally, if the problem is still there, restart your device. A full system restart helps apply all the changes properly and clears out any temporary glitches. And that's it. After completing these steps, your Windows search bar not working problem should be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes.